See them over here? See that over here? Finally, by myself, a pair of AirPods. You think these are normal AirPods? You really think that? There's 2 pairs over here, but believe me, these are not the usual AirPods. Okay, I don't know if you see that, but in the back of this over here, it actually says designed by Apple, California, made in China. But they're not Apple. Trust me, they are not Apple. Watch this. Okay, I've got another surprise for you. So these are white ones, right? I've got these over here right now. You know, you can slot them in there. Boom. Slot the other one over here. Keep the camera over here, because this is going to be interesting. So in the back over here, you've got the button. In the front over here, you've got the lightning cable on the back over here. And this is the box they came in from. Look at that. This exact picture is on the same box as Apple. Now the question is this even legal? I don't know. Don't shoot the messenger, okay? I'm just here to tell you something, okay? If this was Apple, you would probably notice that on this side over here, there should be an Apple logo. But when you open them up, you've got instructions. Hole like that. Lightning cable over here, like that. Looks pretty legit, actually. Even feels the same as Apple cables. But once you start reading the instructions, you realize, wait a second. Since when does Apple give Chinese instructions? So basically, these are the instructions over here. You can see that iOS plus OS. So this is how you should be able to connect them. Turn the Bluetooth on your iOS device, put these next to your iPhone, flick it open, boom, and then you should actually have your iPhone say, okay, here's your AirPods, you know, how do you connect them, things like that. Put them in your ear, and it automatically detects that you've put them in your ear, and you can start listening to music. But the thing is, they actually sound really, really good. And I'm super surprised. How can they make something like this? So fake, but yet so good. Okay, these are not the originals. Originals cost what, 150? Something like that dollars? These cost $49. You can get them in the link below. If there's like, oh, these are not Apple. Oh, wait, it says Apple over here, but they're not Apple. Only you know, right? The coolest thing is, let me show you this, watch this. Oh, before I show you this, let me show you something else. Okay, watch over here. As you can see, I'm pretty excited for this video because there's something interesting. Whoa, what are these? What are these? These are black ones. These are black AirPods, or fake AirPods. In the back over here, it says designed by Apple, California, assembled in China, as in every single Apple device. You've got the button over there, you click it, there's a little green LED that comes on from the front, and then boom, you've got the black ones inside. The only weird thing is, these black ones make some kind of weird like noise when you open it like that. When you open it, they start making weird noise. Let me see if you can hear it. Can you hear it? I've got these connected with my phone, right? So these are in, right? I don't know if you can see this. Let me take them out of the box, put them in my ear. This one said ching, went on this ear, and this one ching. And now I'm gonna press play. Music's playing. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Keep this on the screen, keep this on the screen. Watch this. It paused, right? Can you see that? It's paused on the screen. Let me put it back in. I don't know how did they do that. Anyway, this is really cool. Sorry if I'm too excited about that, but it actually works. But the weird thing is, the black ones sound really good. I've got nothing bad to say about the black ones. That apart from they just look black AirPods and they're just mint. Even the box, everything feels like heavy, you know, like solid. Now these white ones though, I've got something to say. Okay, I don't know if this is just my pair, but there is some kind of glitch. So basically, I'm taking them out, they pair with your phone exactly the same. I put them in my ear, I can hear a chime on both of the ears, and then I press play on the music, and then the music only comes from one ear. It doesn't come from the other ear, so I don't know why that is. If you're asking me, are these perfect? Do they look exactly like the Apple ones? I am not too familiar with Apple products, right? I know them, but I don't have a lot of Apple products. I have got my Mac over here. I picked them up and I was like, wait a second. This looks legit, like weirdly legit. Everything's lined up, everything's quite good. So, but when you start to look like really on a magnifying glass, all the things, then you probably start to realize that maybe they're not exactly perfect, and there may be some lining up issues and things like that. But very finely close. I'll see if I can get some, close-up shots over here on the B-roll so you can see them. But apart from that, they look absolute legit. So what is this? How can you have fake AirPods like these in the world? 3 times less the price of an original ones, and you can still sell them like it's an Apple box. How can you do that? How is this legal? Let me end with this big question that you probably have in your mind. Should you buy these? Are these a good product or not? Weirdly enough, I'm gonna say this is a really cool product, because if you want to maybe surprise someone for Christmas or a birthday or some kind of occasion, then you could probably just get a pair of these, give it to them, they'll be like, I can't believe you bought me these. And you're like, yeah, I'm really good like that. They're fake. But they're just cool, because no one would know. This is designed by Apple. Just take the instructions out from the inside so they're not, in Chinese. And then no one would know. Just stick some Apple stickers on the side and boom. You've made yourself $100. Sound quality wise, they actually sound really good, and I've got nothing bad to say. All the features work, everything's cool. Thanks guys for watching. This was Tech Notice. If you like this type of content, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I know you haven't subscribed, so don't be like, ooh, I'm subscribed and trying to sneak out. I know you aren't. 95% or even more of you aren't subscribed. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, you don't have to really, but you'll have good fun if you do. The links for these are in the description. Make sure you check them out. And if you have any other questions, I'd like to see what you think about these in the comment section below. Do they look legit to you? Comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Adios. It says here, I don't know what it says, but this is, sorry if I swore in Chinese, by the way. I'm very sorry.